Today I'm in Bengaluru's thriving IT corridor, the Sarjapur Road, where the real estate development is booming. Over the past few years, this area has seen numerous development by the renowned Grade A builders, redefining the landscape. And today, I'm excited to present a prime project by Godrej, just 7 minutes from the Wipro headquarters. Last few years, land prices in this area have been rising at an incredible pace, and the trend is set to continue in the coming years as well. With its strong potential for land value appreciation and lifestyle benefit, this project stands out as an excellent choice for both investment and end-use purpose. Presenting Godrej Lakeside Orchard, a lakeside retreat in Sarjapura that aligns perfectly with all these opportunities. Now, this project is on a 16-acre land parcel consisting of 8 towers in total, out of which 6 has already been launched in phase 1. This will be your main entrance. Tower A and Tower B offers 3.5 and 4.5 BHK, which will be facing the lake. Right next to it, you get 3 levels of dedicated car parking with a podium on top, which has amenities like a lake viewing deck, stargazing area, dedicated kids play area, working pods, and many more. Now, Towers C, D, E and F offers 2 and 3 BHKs. 3 BHK in all these towers comes in 2 variants, 3 BHK with 2 toilets and 3 BHK with 3 toilets. This is your hammock garden with a pathway and a beach volleyball court. This project, you get 700 plus trees. Over there is a 2.5 acre dedicated green zone with 14 different varieties of orchards, a horticulture bed and an amphitheatre. Right next to it is your clubhouse measuring 47,200 square feet with G+2 structure and is loaded with amenities. Over here is your reflexology park with amenities like a sand pit, a cricket pitch, half basketball court and a tennis court. Now, all the towers, that is towers C, D, E and F, is either facing the hammock garden, this park or the dedicated 2.5 acre green zone. Now let's check out the 3.5 BHK model apartment. This 3.5 BHK is measuring 2163 square feet. As soon as you enter, to my left is your kids' bedroom with floor-to-ceiling windows and an attached washroom. To my right is your office space, again with an attached washroom. Now, the main USP of this project is all the towers has G+25 structure with only 4 units per floor, which makes it a low-density project. And you'll also get 3 lifts and 2 staircases per floor. This is your well-lit spacious living with an attached balcony where you can keep your favorite plants. This is your 6-seater dining, and right next to it is your open modular kitchen with lot of storage units and a utility space. I love the way how the interiors have been done for this model apartment. For example, the tiles of the kitchen matches the dining table and the paintings behind it, which is very pleasing to the eye. You have a common washroom over here, and right opposite to it is your second bedroom with floor-to-ceiling windows, wardrobe space. Again, you can see how the theme has been reflected on this room as well by keeping the wall green. This is your spacious primary bedroom. You can set up your TV cabinet over there. It comes with an attached balcony with a seating arrangement. You can also set up an additional seating arrangement over here. It comes with a walk-in wardrobe and an attached washroom. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this project offers 2, 3, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK starting at 1.5 CR. So if you're interested, do reach out to us at Address Advisor and we are happy to find your dream home. Also, if you're watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more real estate updates. Thanks for joining us and we'll see you in the next one.